This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Icaza. Top floor beautiful remodeled unit. Spacious floor plan, unit is elegant and functional. Kitchen features wood cabinets and granite counters, plenty of closet space, ample master bedroom with big walk-in closet. Unit can be sold furnished or unfurnished. Maintenance also includes water, cable, and internet. View of the canal. This is 55+ community. One occupant has to be 55 years old. This complex is inside the gated community of Eastern Shores, walking distance to shopping center, cinemas, restaurants, just 1.5 miles from the beach. Very close to Aventura Mall, hospitals, and highway access, right next to Sunny Isles. For more information, review the details.